guys. Today we're going to do some early morning yoga. I've done a few yoga videos in the past, so this has components of some of those videos, but this is something you can do in the morning when you have 5 minutes just to get your body woken up. So we're going to first start by going into child's pose. Just take some deep breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Alright, we'll come into tabletop position. We're going to do some cat and cows. Alright, then we're going to take our right arm, stretch it up, and go through and thread the needle. So you'll rest your shoulder down and your side of your face down on the mat. Take some deep breaths. Thread, then we'll do the other way. Up, thread, then you'll rest down on that shoulder and your head. Alright. So from this tabletop, we're going to push back into a downward dog. You want to try to get your chest as close to your thighs as you can. You want to pedal out your legs to wake those legs up. Then we're going to come back up on the mat. This is called ragdoll. You're going to just hold your elbows and kind of swing back and forth. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. You want to have your legs slightly bent for this. Alright, from here we'll go all the way up into a mountain. Now we're down to a forward fold. Grab those ankles. I'll do that one more time all the way up into a mountain pose. Take some deep breaths. We'll go back down into ragdoll. To the ground, and we're going to do a seated spinal twist here. Open up that chest. Take some deep breaths. Good. And then we'll switch legs. And lastly, we'll come into a butterfly. just taking a few more breaths in through my nose and out through my nose here. Alright, so this was our 5-minute morning yoga. You should feel relaxed, kind of rejuvenated to start the day. But thank you for joining us. We will see you again soon.